So I told you today we are going to solve four simple problems. So the question one is, a component experiences chance failure with a mean time to failure of 1100 hour. Find the following: the reliability for 200 hours mission, the design life for a zero point 0.9 reliability, the design life for a zero point 0.9 reliability. Okay, so try to find it. Okay, so please note, a component experience chance failure in brackets CFR. CFR means constant failure rate. So chance failure is the another name of constant failure. Okay, so mean time to failure is given, that is 1100 hour, and you are asked to find the reliability for 200 hour mission and the design life for 0.9 reliability. So for 1100 hour, mean time to failure is equal to 1100 hour. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by lambda, where lambda is the constant I told you. So here lambda is equal to 1 by 1100. Okay, so now reliability R of t, we are asked to find reliability. R of t is equal to e raised to minus lambda t. So reliability for 200 hour, R of 200 is equal to e raised to minus 1 by 1100 into 200. So that is equal to minus 1 by 1100. So that is equal to 0.83375. So if you are rounding or if you are using three significant digits, 0.834. So this one is the reliability. After 200 hour, 83.4% of components, manufactured components will survive. So this is reliability. Now design life. The second question is design life. Normally in reliability, or if you are manufacturing components, two terms are very important. One is design life and second one is service life. Actually, design life is theoretically oriented term, because before selling that product, means after after testing the selected components, we can say the design life. Okay, service life is different depending upon a number of factors like service, etc. Okay, means design life is depending upon the manufacturing unit actually. Okay, that is why I'm saying it is something theoretically oriented term. Means here design life for 0.9 reliability is asked. Design life for 0.9 reliability is asked. So actually they are asking the mean time to failure. They are asking the mean time to failure. Okay, so please note R of t is given, that is equal to e raised to minus lambda t into equal to 0.9. So here one information is very important, this time. For what time this one is 0.9. So actually this one is not mentioned here. So we have to take 200 hour as the we have to take t equal to 200 hour, because in second question the exact time is not given. Okay, so we can take this one is equal to e raised to minus lambda into 200. Otherwise we can find lambda. Okay, so if e raised to minus lambda into 200, that is equal to 0.9, then minus lambda, by taking natural logarithm on both sides, minus lambda into 200 is equal to natural logarithm of 0.9. So that is equal to natural logarithm of 0.9 is equal to minus 0.10536. So we can take it as 54 minus 0.1054. Okay, means lambda is equal to minus 0.1054 divided by minus 200. So we have 0.0005. Lambda is equal to 0.0005. So this one is lambda. And we are asked to find the design life, mean time to failure. So that is equal to 1 by lambda. So that is equal to 1 by 0.005, 1 by 0.005, 1 by 0.0005. So that is equal to 2000. That is equal to 2000. 2000 hour. MTTF is equal to 1 by lambda, that is equal to 2000 hour. Okay, so mean time to failure is 2000 hour. Okay,